Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Today's topic is applications of derivative. In this question, we are going to discuss about how to find out the maximum or minimum value of a particular function. So our question is, find the volume of the largest cylinder that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. So you are given a sphere with radius r and you have to inscribe a cylinder which is largest. So let us take a sphere of radius r. Suppose the radius of the sphere is r, it is given, so it is a constant. Now we are going to inscribe a cylinder in between in the sphere. So this is our cylinder. Since the cylinder must be largest, so height of the cylinder must pass through the center of the sphere. So let O be the center of the sphere and R be the radius of the sphere. It is given. Now we are given that the cylinder is largest, and cylinder is largest, that must implies the volume is maximum. The volume is maximum. So we are going to maximize the volume function. Now let R be the radius of the cylinder and H be the height of the cylinder. तो अगर आप h height लेते हैं तो आपका ये h by 2 हो जाएगा. This length must be h by 2. So in this triangle OAB, in the triangle OAB, we can apply Pythagoras theorem because it is a right circular cylinder. So height is perpendicular to the radius of the base. So if we satisfy Pythagoras theorem, so it will come r square plus h by 2 whole square must be equals to r square. तो आप किसी भी एक वेरिएबल को in terms of another variable you can write. So r square can be written as r square minus h square by 4. तो r को आप h की टर्म में लिख सकते हैं. Now consider the volume function. Now the volume of the cylinder is, let V be the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Now we are going to find out at which point your volume function is maximum. But volume function is in two variables, so we are going to replace one variable in terms of another, and we can replace h square by this. So it will come r square minus h square by 4 h, or we can write it as volume function as pi r square h minus pi by 4 h cube. Okay. Now we are going to differentiate it once. So dv by dh will be equals to, here it will come pi r square, h का डेरिवेटिव 1 और h क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव 3 h स्क्वायर. आपके पास फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव आ गया. एंड फॉर क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स, आप क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स के लिए क्या करेंगे? यू आर गोइंग टू इक्वेट dv by dh with 0. आप देखेंगे कि डेरिवेटिव कब 0 होता है. तो डेरिवेटिव function will be equals to 0 pi r square minus 3 pi upon 4 h square must be equals to 0. It will come pi r square is equals to 3 pi by 4 h square. Pi will cancel out and h will come 4 r square. H square will come 4 r square by 3, or we can write h as 2 r by root 3, and this will be our critical point. Now we are going to check whether this is the point of maxima or not, and for that we are going to take second derivative. Now the second derivative of the function is 2 pi r square is a constant, तो इसका again derivative is 0 minus h square का derivative 2h, so it will come minus 3 pi by 2h. So the second derivative at this particular point, the second derivative at this point h is equals to 2r by root 3. इस particular point पे क्या आ जाएगा? When h is equals to 3 pi by 2 and h is 2r by root 3, and that will come minus root 3 pi r. और ये चाहे कोई भी r की कोई भी वैल्यू हो, that will be positive, and finally this quantity is negative. और अगर किसी पॉइंट पे सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव नेगेटिव होता है तो दैट पॉइंट विल बी द पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा. सो दैट मस्ट इम्प्लाइज दैट h is equals to 2r by root 3 is point of maxima. And what we are supposed to find out, we have to find the volume of the largest cone, and we are interested in the volume of the cylinder at this point. तो अब आपके पास h की वैल्यू है, r की वैल्यू पहले आप निकाल लो. h is this. Now find out the value of r also. So r square is equals to r square minus h square by 4. h square is 4r square by 3 divided by 4. So it will come 2r square by 3. r square की ये वैल्यू आ गई. This will implies that r square is equals to 2r square by 3. अब r square की भी वैल्यू है और h की भी वैल्यू है, and you are supposed to find out the maximum volume. So maximum volume will be volume of largest cylinder will be volume of largest cylinder will be pi r square h. Pi r square is 2r square by 3 and h is 2r by root 3. So your final answer is 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3, and this is this much cubic units will be the volume of the largest cylinder that can be inscribed in a sphere of given radius r.